One of the weirdest events in U.S. history happened in 1970, when a whale exploded in Oregon. A 45-foot sperm whale had washed up on the beach in Florence, Oregon. The carcass was too big to bury, so officials came up with a bizarre idea: blow it up with dynamite. On November 12th, crowds gathered to watch as workers packed the whale with explosives. When it detonated, massive chunks of whale flesh rained down on cars, buildings, and horrified spectators. The plan completely backfired. Instead of clearing the whale, it made an even bigger mess. To this day, people still remember it as the exploding whale of Oregon, one of the strangest public events in U.S. history.